Alright, so just pick the cell you want to sum into, go to function, and add equal sum, and then just click on the cell you want to sum. We're gonna go with G4, and now the second value, we'll do H4, and then just close the bracket, and that's it. Now if you want to sum the whole column, like each individual line, row, just drag from the corner of the cell down, and you're basically summing these two values and adding it in the K column. Now let's say you want to sum 3 cells, so you can do equal sum G4 colon I4, well, I4. So you're basically summing these 3 columns, and you basically do the same exact thing. So that's how you sum.